Okay, all the bolts are out. Cleaned everything off a little better. So here we go. Oh boy. Right away, we've got a valve seat. Look at that. Well, that's certainly the reason why we have no compression. Cylinder doesn't feel bad, but this I'm not sure I can fix. I got the valve seat back in. I don't know if it'll stay, but I was able to work it back in and tap it back in with a rubber hammer without taking the valve out. And it is fully opening and closing now. I've cleaned everything off. Certainly will need to change the oil in this. I'm going to put this back together, and I do feel a spark when I spin it around, so it's got fire. I'll put this back together before I take the carburetor apart and just put some carburetor cleaner and see if I can get it to at least hit and feel compression. So maybe we've saved this engine. I just don't know if it'll stay, but hey, it's a free mower. Not sure how this happened unless it overheated. Well, very sad after putting this back together. Doing this very quickly, trying to get a mower for my neighbor here. Putting the valve seat in the way I did real quick, still no compression or little to none. So I've put all this back together. We'll work on this another day. And hey, it was a free Toro. That valve seat probably will need to be replaced. The valve needs to come out and that seat peened in properly instead of the way I did it. I'll have to go back and look at the video to see, but maybe we'll do another video on this when we get it finished.